Beautiful friends, welcome back again to the garden. I am cleaning the yard out, cutting some of those trees to let some of those fruit trees have some fresh air to them. That big tree, I cut it there, and I'm working to cut on this big huge tree, which is I start last week. Starting to cook starting to cut it last year before the hurricane, and she's branching back again. As you can see, it's a lot of work, and at the same time I want to take the branch, make a nice bed on the front of my chicken coop right here. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, guys, working and cutting some big branch. Oh, I'm stressing. When I'm stressed, this is what I have to calm me down. Since this morning, I've been working over here. I need to cut that papaya here. And yeah, this mango full of fruit. Yeah, I want to make a nice path, that used to be a nice little garden section, but a lot of those are flowers growing through it, but I'm planning to bring more beautiful flowers to make them a nice bed. If I'm still living here, at least I will have something nice to look. It's not nice now, but this spring I will plant in front of it some beautiful flowers. That's the plant. Yeah, that's the plant I'm going to do. But let me go back and cutting in those branch out. Thank you, friends, for watching.